Hello, design furniture family. Have you ever wanted to give your furniture a fresh new look or added functionality? Adding legs to furniture is a great way to elevate its style and usability. Today, we're going to show you how to add legs to your furniture step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before you begin, gather all the necessary supplies. You'll need furniture legs, available in various styles and heights, mounting plates or brackets, screws and a screwdriver, measuring tape, pencil drill and drill bits. Step 2. Measure and mark. First, measure and mark where the legs will be attached. Flip your furniture piece over and use the measuring tape to find the center of each corner. Mark the spots with a pencil where the mounting plates will be installed. Ensure the marks are symmetrical to keep the furniture stable and balanced. Step 3. Attach the mounting plates. Next, attach the mounting plates to the marked spots. Align the mounting plate with the pencil marks and use a drill to create pilot holes for the screws. This step helps prevent the wood from splitting. Step 4. Attach the legs. Once the mounting plates are securely in place, it's time to attach the legs. Screw the legs into the mounting plates, ensuring they are tight and stable. Step 5. Check stability and adjust. After attaching all the legs, flip the furniture piece upright and check for stability. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to add legs to your furniture. Whether you're updating an old piece or customizing a new one, adding legs can transform the look and functionality of your furniture. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips and DIY projects from Design Furniture. Until next time, happy decorating!